Hello friends, in this video we intend to teach you about the Exness broker dashboard. In the trading cabinet, balance is shown at the top. Hide it on the dashboard. Transfer and withdraw options available. Click Go to Wallet for Crypto Wallet. Icons for settings, notifications, help, and profile with personal info and settings are present. And you can also see the options for transferring and withdrawing from your account in this section. If you want to go directly to your wallet, click on the Go to Wallet option, and you'll enter your crypto wallet. In this section, you can see the icons that include account settings, notifications, and the Help section, as well as the Profile section that shows your personal information and settings. Through the Sign Out option, you can also log out of your trading account in the Exness broker. It shows you through the Sign Out option, you can also log out of your trading account in the Exness broker. In the main section, My Accounts, a green banner with the text Account Verification Complete indicates that your account has been verified. In the Open New Accounts section, you can create new trading accounts. In this section, you will see a list of accounts, real, demo, and archived accounts. And the amount of balance in the account is specified in this section. In the Selected Trading Account section, you have faster options to start trading. There is a deposit option to add money to the account and a withdrawal option to withdraw money from your account. In this section, there is a drop-down menu. The transfer fund options are for transferring funds between other accounts. The Change Max Leverage option is for changing the maximum leverage. The Rename Account option is for changing the name of your user account. And in the account information section, your account information will be displayed. With the read-only access option, you can create a read-only access, which means that by entering the specified password, you can only view your trading account and won't be able to engage in your trades. The next option is Manage Your Statement, which is for managing your reports and statements, and is located in the Change Trading Password section. You can change your trading password and enter the new password in this section. And the last option is related to archiving your trading accounts. In the left navigation menu, you can see the options related to deposits and withdrawals, which include the deposit and withdrawal options for managing your transfers in various ways. The next option is Transaction History, where you can view your transaction history, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades. The next option is your crypto wallet, where you can manage your digital currency wallets. In this section, you can see various currencies that you can deposit, withdraw, and transfer between your trading accounts. In the next section, Analytics, you have access to your trading analyses. The first section is the economic calendar. The page related to the economic calendar of the Exness broker will open for you. The next option is Analyst Views. In the Analyst Views section, you can see account performance and transaction details, including profit and loss, growth rate, and risk to reward ratio. In the Market News section, you will find an overview of the markets, technical analyses, an economic calendar, a general market overview, and trader sentiment for currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. In the Social Trading section, you can see the social trading options, and in the Performance section, you can evaluate the performance of past trades. In the History of Orders section, by entering your trading account number, you can evaluate the history of your trades in the Summary section. Details of your trading accounts are displayed, and in the Exness section, you will find the services and promotions offered by the Exness broker, such as low spreads, low commissions. Or you see advanced trading tools that help you reduce costs and improve trading performance. In the Support section, you will see that a new section has been added to access your support and guidance. If you encounter an issue, you can submit a ticket to broker support by clicking the Open Ticket option in this section. The next section is the Settings section, where you can customize and adjust your account settings. In this section, you will see profile options related to your account, personal information, security settings, including login, second password, and two-step verification. The next section is the trading terminal related to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, where you will conduct your trades. In the next section, you will see trading conditions, which explains the trading conditions and your trading accounts. In this section, you will be able to swap your trading account, and the next option is virtual private server, which allows you to have a dedicated server. And in the lower section, as you can see, invite friends and earn money. This means that you receive a reward for every trade made by the individuals you refer. By clicking the close button, we will close the page. And at the bottom, as you can see, you will be able to communicate with the live chat support of the broker Exness. In this section, you first connect to the live chat robot. You need to indicate that you want to speak with a human support representative, and they will connect you to human support who will respond to you. In this section, you will see the personal area option, which gives you access to your personal area. That includes account management and settings. The next option is the Exness terminal, which gives you access to the Exness trading platform. For executing trades, actually, you are welcome. You enter the trading platform of the Exness broker. In the next section of the public website, there's a link to the public website of Exness for more information on Marie Broker, where you can see all the details about the site on the first page. The next option is partnership, which is the section related to cooperation or partnership programs such as affiliates. In this section, you can find partnership programs. Follow. And in this section, you will see your partner link, which you can copy and send to your friends and acquaintances. In this way, you are familiar with all the sections of the exchange broker. We will be with you in future videos with more tutorials about the Exness broker. Wishing you success and profitability.